Okay, now we are going discussing about the different types of quadrilaterals. Okay, so what is mean by quadrilateral? Quadrilateral is a closed figure bounded by four sides. Okay, so first one we are going discussing about the trapezium. What is trapezium? In Malayalam, it is called lambakam. Okay, so what is mean by trapezium? Trapezium. What is mean by trapezium? Trapezium is a quadrilateral with a pair of parallel sides. Okay, so trapezium means it's a quadrilateral with one pair with a pair should be parallel. Okay, that is, and the parallelogram means all sides are parallel to each other. Okay, so in the case of trapezium, only one pair. Okay, trapezium is a quadrilateral with a pair of parallel sides. From here, this picture, you can see that this side and this side are parallel to each other. Okay, this is called trapezium. ഇങ്ങനെയുള്ള നമ്മൾ എന്താ പറയുക, trapezium എന്ന് പറയും. This side and this side are parallel. ഇങ്ങനെ വരുന്ന ഇതിനെ നമ്മൾ എന്താ what we can call trapezium. Okay, so this is a trapezium, and another one we are going discussing about the kite. Okay, so what is mean by kite? Kite is also a kite is also a quadrilateral, and kite you can draw like this. Kite നിങ്ങൾക്കറിയാം, പട്ടം എന്നാണ് കൈറ്റിന്റെ മലയാളം അല്ലെ. സോ ഒരു പട്ടത്തിന്റെ പോലെ തന്നെയാണ്. സോ ഹിയർ യു ക്യാൻ സീ ദാറ്റ് kite there are exactly two distinct consecutive pair of sides of equal length. Okay, a kite have four sides. How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so here you can see that this pair and this pair are parallel. Okay, it's a quadrilateral with a pair are parallel. Okay, that is called trapezium, and this is the kite. This is the kite. So kite means, what you can say, kite has four sides, so it's a quadrilateral. Okay, and another one, there are exactly two distinct consecutive pair of sides of equal length. There are exactly തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും എന്ത് വേണം, exactly how many there are exactly two distinct consecutive pair of, okay, two, so these are consecutive. Okay, so exactly two pair, how many? Two distinct consecutive pairs are equal length. അല്ലെ, ഇത് ഇതിന്റെ കോൺസിക്യൂട്ടീവ് സൈഡ് ആണത്. Okay, so exactly എന്താണ് പറഞ്ഞത്, two distinct consecutive pair of sides. So this side and this side are the consecutive sides. So this pair are sides are equal length. And here also this side and this side we can say that these are consecutive sides. So this and this are equal length. ഇങ്ങനെ വരുന്നതിന് നമ്മൾ what we can say that this is the kite. This also quadrilateral. And next we are going to discuss about parallelogram. And what is meant by parallelogram? Already you studied parallelogram, the concept parallelogram. So is a parallelogram. You can name if you want A, B, C, D. Okay, so what is the speciality of parallelogram? Parallelogram is a quadrilateral with opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides equal, that is AB and CD are the two sides, and AD and BC are the two sides, and AD is opposed to BC. So opposite sides are equal and parallel. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. That type of quadrilateral is called, or you can say that, parallelogram. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral with opposite sides are equal and parallel. What is meaning? Parallel lines that will never intersect each other. That is called parallel lines. So what you can say that here, AB parallel to CD and AD parallel to BC. Okay, and AD parallel to BC. So AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC. This is called the parallelogram. What we can call this is called the parallelogram. So already in small classes we are discussing the vertex. Okay, this is called the vertex and all. We are also the sides. These called opposite angles. Okay, so these opposite angles, A opposed to C and B opposed to D. These called adjacent angles. A and B are called adjacent angles. B and C are the another pair of adjacent. C and D are another pair, and A and D are the another pair of adjacent angles. That also you are discussing in small classes. Okay, that we are not discussing here. Just reminding you what is adjacent angle, sides and all. Okay, so next elements of parallelogram, that already I just mentioned that AB is in your textbook page number 47. That is already given 3.4 elements of a parallelogram. If you want, you can copy to your notebook. Okay, so elements means this and AB and BC are called the adjacent sides, and AB and CD are the opposite sides. Okay, so that pairs you can mention. നിങ്ങൾ ഇവിടെ ടെക്സ്റ്റിൽ ഇപ്പോൾ എയും ബിയും ഒക്കെ മാർക്ക് ചെയ്ത് മാറിയിട്ടുണ്ടാവും. സോ വൺ ചേഞ്ച് ഇസ് ദയർ. സോ അക്കോർഡിംഗ് ടു ദാറ്റ് ചേഞ്ചസ് യു ഷുഡ് റൈറ്റ് ഇൻ യുവർ notebook. Okay, so that are the three types of quadrilaterals, and some more we are going to discussing rhombus. Many things are coming. Okay, so today we are discussing about the trapezium, kite and the parallelogram. Next the coming classes we will discuss about the special type of some parallelograms. Okay.